guys, it's Rain. So this is the intro of the vlog that I will make for tomorrow, because tomorrow I will go to Dls-csb College of St. Benilde to drop off my enrollment documents. Although I am not sure pa kung mag-enroll ako sa CSB. But if I uploaded this video, that means that I am in CSB na. But if I do not upload this video, that means nakapasa ako sa UPOU and dun na ako. But it still is a debatable topic kung saan ako magka-college, because today I got my DLSC results, and sadly I didn't get into the 3 courses that I applied. Ang naalala ko lang is ABCom and advertising management, but I got into a course that ang layo sa gusto ko, kasi nakapasa ako sa BS Psychology. Hindi mo na ako magpe-pre-med, and binato ko sa Laguna campus. So but ayun, again, okay lang naman kasi hindi ko din naman afford yung tuition fee. Like 80k per term, hindi ko kaya yon. Ganon din yung tuition fee sa DLS-csb, but because I am a scholar, wala na akong babayaran tuition fee and laboratory, but ang babayaran ko na lang doon is yung miscellaneous fee na 5,000 per term. So malaking discount siya. And ayun nga, ito na yung documents ko. Attached here are the following. So, yung PSA birth certificate ko, yung grades ko from first term to last term, tas yung mga privacy kinemerode. But yun, this is my first time going to the college that I applied for, and okay naman yung course ko doon. So, hindi nga lang multimedia arts yung in-apply ko doon at pinapasahan ko at na-awardan ng scholarship, but it's okay nonetheless. At least libre tuition, diba? But ayun, ang course ko doon is Bachelor of Science in Real Estate Management. So, if you're into those things, yung mga realty and ganon-ganon, or kung ina-aspire nyo maging pre-cello and the like, then I highly recommend to enroll in Dls-csb College of St. Benilde, because they are the first, if I'm not mistaken, na nag-offer ng course na yon. But enough with this long ass intro, and I will see you guys tomorrow, or the day, well, tomorrow nga, the day itself nung pagpunta ko sa Dls-csb College of St. Benilde or CSB. So ayun, bye guys. So guys, may Ferrari dun sa may likod namin. As you can see. So, I think that is but kaya yun siya. Ganda. Try ko ilabas. Ayan siya guys. Wow. 360 nga pala to. Iniikot ko pang gano'n. Yung isang direction lang pala to. But yeah. We're in Makati. Yeah.
Para sure lang kayo, sir.
Okay.
Thank you po. Ingat
Thank
kayo,
you.
sir. See you soon.
Thank you po. Ito yung main building. Ayan. And then, ito yung Scholastica, Tower Lorenzo. And ayun yung SDA. So ngayon pabalik na akong SDA and magpipicture lang ako sa SDA. Then pupunta kami sa Smith, yung new building naming management. So I'll cut na muna to guys. Ito yung bagong building ng Benilde, yung sa REM, School of Governance and School of Deaf. And dito daw yung senior high, if ever magka face to face. So ayan. And dun, ayun yung SDA. Zoom in ko. So fancy yun. So magkakahiwalay siya. Ha? So ayan. So yung bagong building, malapit siya dito sa Akik. Yan. Yung School of HRM and ayan. Angelo King International Center. Yan yung Akik. So malapit lang siya sa ito. New building. SDA, tas yung main nandun sa kabila. So, yan. Ayun lang guys. Hindi mo bawal po. So, ayan. Ito yung bagong building. Medyo hindi pa siya tapos. Ayun yung parking. May parking. So, dito pala. Ang dami din pala mga apartment dito eh. Ayan, siya pansin. Ang taas. Taas pala niya. Ayan. Whee! I am now home and peep at my graduation pictures here. So, kaya po walang diploma yan kasi nabasag yung frame. But, ayun, makukuha ko na din yung isa kong diploma. I don't know kung kailan ko makukuha yun, but within July naman yun. So, ayun, I'll end the vlog here and I hope you enjoyed this vlog. And if you did, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what should I do or improve on my next vlogs or video that I will put out. And I will make a vlog about the colleges that I applied and that I passed. So please wait for that. And ano pa ba? Yan. Comment down below what should I do or improve on my next vlogs or videos. And don't forget to share this to your family and friends. And subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I will see you guys in the next vlog or video that I will put out. So, bye guys!